Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to lock app on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who don't know, that app lock is a feature that allows users to add an extra layer of security to specific apps on their Android phone or other device. And it restricts unauthorized access to those apps and protecting sensitive data and information from being viewed by others. And how to lock the app is very easy, so yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first is now you can go to the settings menu on your cell phone, and then after that now you can scroll down and go to apps menu. And then after that now you can go to apps lock, and then after that now you can unlock it with your fingerprint, and now you can choose apps that you want to lock. And for example, I will lock YouTube apps like this, and then after that the YouTube will be locked until I unlock it like this guys. And so yeah, it works. And here's the tutorial on how to lock apps on Poco M7 Pro. And then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.